Setting sail on your first cruise, 60 essential packing items for a smooth journey. Are you ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime? A cruise vacation promises an unforgettable experience filled with relaxation, exploration, and the opportunity to create lasting memories. However, to fully enjoy this incredible journey, it's essential to be well prepared, starting with your packing. Here at Cruise's Edge, we tap into our decades of cruise experience and share what we've learned over the years to help improve your cruise vacations. And in today's video, we're letting you in on what you need to know before you set sail on your next cruise. Today, we will not only provide you with a comprehensive list of 60 must-bring items for your first cruise, but also offer valuable insights and tips to ensure your maiden voyage is as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Hang around till the end, and I'll give you a list of the most forgotten items to be packed. These items are normally taken for granted, and usually when you forget these items, you'll soon find a need for them. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time cruiser, these packing tips will help you make the most of your cruise experience. Packing for a cruise is a unique endeavor. Unlike typical vacations, cruising combines the comforts of an onboard resort with the excitement of exploring multiple destinations. This duality necessitates a strategic packing plan. Here's why packing matters on a cruise. Number 1. Space constraints. Cruise cabins are well designed for comfort, but they aren't expansive hotel suites. Efficient packing ensures you have enough room to move around comfortably. Number 2. Dress codes. Many cruise lines have specific dress codes for various dining venues and events. Packing appropriate attire ensures you're prepared for elegant dinners and themed parties. I personally enjoy the formal nights. We've put out a video that covers dining options in the main dining room. I'll be sure to link that video at the end of this one so that you can watch that one next. Number 3. Varied activities. Cruise itineraries often include a mix of onboard activities and excursions at different ports of call. Your packing list should accommodate both relaxation and adventure. Number 4. Unique onboard features. Cruise ships boast a wide array of amenities, from pools and spas to theaters and fitness centers. Packing the right gear enhances your experience of these facilities. And 5. Port exploration. When exploring ports of call, you'll want to be prepared for different climates, activities, and cultural experiences. Packing wisely ensures you're comfortable and ready for any adventure. Now, let's dive into the essential items you should consider packing for your first cruise. First off, travel documents. Ensure your passport is up to date and has at least 6 months of validity remaining. An ID card may also be necessary. Cruise tickets, boarding passes. I always keep printed and digital copies for easy access. Visa. Research the visa requirements for your cruise destination and obtain one if necessary. Travel insurance information. It's best to have all relevant insurance details readily available. Secondly, you'll want to have your wallet and cash. You may find it best to carry both credit and debit cards for onboard expenses and ATM withdrawals. We always have some cash on hand in small denominations for tips, small purchases with some of the merchants in many of the ports, or destinations where card payments may not be accepted. Third, medications and health items. Prescription medications. Ensure you have an ample supply for the duration of your cruise. Over-the-counter medicines, pain relievers, seasickness medication, antacids, and motion sickness bands are wise to pack. First aid kit. A compact kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and basic medical supplies can be handy. Fourth, toiletries. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Travel-sized versions are ideal. Shampoo and conditioner. Many cruise lines provide basic toiletries, but you might prefer your own. Soap or body wash. Travel-sized options are convenient. Razor, if you use one. Deodorant, to stay fresh throughout your journey. Sunscreen and lip balm with SPF, to protect your skin from the sun. And a hairbrush and comb to keep your locks tangle-free.
Hi cruisers, I'm Shay, your cruise director. We're sailing under beautifully clear skies today. But I've just gotten word from the captain. Apparently there's a YouTube algorithm monster just ahead. A lot of research and effort goes into making a video like this. Hopefully if we keep things shipshape, the algorithm monster will let us pass. We'll start by swabbing the deck. You can help us out by polishing up that like button and gently depressing it. You can smash it if you like. but we would like to be able to say no, like buttons were harmed in the making of this video. Oh, and don't forget to show the subscribe button some attention, and ring the bell so you will be notified of our upcoming videos. It would help us out greatly. We have some really good content coming up, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Alright guys, this is Shay, your cruise director, signing off. Thanks, and back to the video.
Fifth, clothing. Swimsuits are essential for poolside relaxation. Cover-ups, ideal for moving around the ship after swimming, especially in the dining areas on board. As far as casual clothing, pack comfortable attire for daytime activities, including shorts, t-shirts, and sundresses. For formal or semi-formal attire, check your cruise line's dress code for formal nights or specialty restaurants. Don't forget about your comfortable walking shoes. A pair of comfortable closed-toe shoes are good for shore excursions. Also, flip-flops or sandals will be perfect for deck lounging. I always bring my beachcombers because I find them better for me when wading in the water and the bottom is not very smooth. And on those Caribbean cruises, a hat and sunglasses are good to shield yourself from the sun's rays. Sixth, we'll cover cruise cabin comfort. A power strip or surge protector is a good idea because cruise cabins often have limited power outlets. A travel alarm clock can help keep track of time without relying solely on your phone. Travel-sized laundry detergent is useful for washing clothes during longer voyages. Some cabins may have limited hangers. Extra ones can be a lifesaver for organizing your wardrobe. Coming in at 7 are travel accessories. You'll want luggage tags so that you can attach them securely to your bags to ensure they reach your cabin. For most cruise lines, you can print these out beforehand and attach them yourself, and save time when unloading your bags at the port. A backpack or day bag will be useful for carrying essentials during shore excursions. I personally use a theft-proof one with the combination locks. Being in many different ports, it's always been better for me. Include travel pillows and blankets to enhance your in-cabin comfort during long journeys, and a travel-sized laundry bag to keep dirty clothes separate from clean ones. I use a pop-up one that stands on its own. And for entertainment and electronics, obviously your smartphone and charger for communication, navigation, and entertainment. I've used my phone for watching movies some nights while back in my cabin. Although there are onboard options, it's not the large selection you're used to. Also, a camera or smartphone for photos to capture the stunning scenery and precious moments. An e-reader or books are perfect for relaxing by the pool or before bed. I've actually used my Kindle, my cell phone, and hardback books on different cruises, and found them all very good. If you love to read, don't forget these. Some find it good to have travel-sized board games or cards. These can be great for group fun or rainy days at sea. I've personally never played board games at sea, but I have seen some people enjoying them. Now there are more cruise-specific items, like cruise ship itinerary and deck plans. Familiarize yourself with the ship's layout and daily activities. Nowadays, these are easy to pull up on your cell phone, makes it easier to get around, and saves time not getting lost around the ship. Having a lanyard for your cruise keycard is good to keep your keycard easily accessible at all times. I've had trips where I did and didn't have one, and I've come to find I like them myself. But I've noticed some people don't. A waterproof pouch is good to protect your phone, cash, and cruise keycard when enjoying the pool or beach. They come with lanyards you can hang around your neck to keep with you at all times while at the beach. Next are dining accessories like reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout the day. And you'll find that in an effort to be more environmentally conscious, ships have done away with disposable plastic straws. So I find that I like using the cups that have the reusable straws. An insulated travel mug will be ideal for enjoying your morning coffee or tea on the balcony. Ziploc bags can be handy for storing snacks, leftovers, or keeping small items organized. Finally, there are the miscellaneous items like sunglasses retainers to prevent your sunglasses from getting lost. I know that won't apply to everyone, but if you find yourself constantly setting down or misplacing your glasses, it may be good. A power bank to ensure you have a backup power source for your devices. And zip ties or luggage locks to secure your luggage for peace of mind during travel. We use the TSA-approved luggage locks, and they've been just fine. Bonus tips, now for the most forgotten-to-pack items. Eye drops are not something most people use every day, but definitely something you want to have on hand if you need it. Tweezers are an item often not thought about until they're needed. Band-aids for minor scrapes and scuffs, especially when traveling with children. Also, floss picks are always handy to have on board. eyeglass wipes, and mini repair kit. Now that is one I've been caught without and wished I had. And last is a small travel-sized umbrella for those days in port when you have an unexpected pop-up shower. While these 60 items form the core of a well-prepared packing list, it's important to remember that your specific cruise, destination, and personal preferences may require additional items or adjustments to this list. Always check your chosen cruise line's policies and guidelines regarding dress codes, prohibited items, and any specific recommendations they provide to ensure a smooth and enjoyable cruise experience. In conclusion, embarking on your first cruise is a remarkable experience that combines relaxation and adventure. By packing wisely and thoughtfully, you can ensure that you're fully prepared for all aspects of your journey, from elegant evenings on the ship to exciting excursions at captivating ports of call. With these essential items in tow, you're well on your way to creating cherished memories on the high seas. So as you prepare to set sail, remember that your packing choices will play a pivotal role in ensuring your cruise is not just smooth, but truly spectacular. Thanks for watching The Cruiser's Edge. Our goal is to help keep you informed and up to date on all things cruising, giving you an edge on cruising. If there's a video topic you'd like for us to cover, be sure to let us know in the comments section. Until next time, we here at Cruiser's Edge are wishing you happy and unforgettable cruising experiences. Bon voyage!